Assalamualaikum. Very good evening to everyone. This is Soad and this is my part. We are using at this stage a motion sensor. And we are connecting the motion sensor to the number 4 pin of Arduino. Because we have programmed inside we make the code and this should be the 4th pin. That's why we are using the 4th pin. Then we will connect the ground to the ground of Arduino. And VCC is a voltage collector. And can you please change it? Then in this picture, we guys can see there is a lot of parts in motion sensor. One of the main parts are IR receiver. IR receiver is a kind of receiver which can detect the motion across any element when enters the area of motion. That time this sensor can detect. After that, the distance adjust. This can adjust the distance. We are using a motion sensor which can absorb 2 cm distance. We are using what? The motion sensor. This is the power LED button. It will show the motion sensor is switched on or actually not. And this is also LED. This LED actually works when any objects will enter to the motion sensed area. That time this will show if the LED blink on. That time this will be show that someone is in the motion area. Or if this closes, then this is not. After that, this potentiometer we can tell it as a regular also. This can be used to maintain the flow of electricity, and this can be used to maintain the speed of a fan. This can increase the speed of a fan, and also this can also decrease the speed of a fan. So we can call it as a regular and regulator, and we are placing it inside between the power source. What we are using, the battery. This is a fan. We are using a small fan, a 5-volt fan. As usual, this fan also has a positive and a negative side. And this is the battery. We are using double-A size battery. We are using 3 batteries. Each battery contains 1.5 volts. So we are using 4.5 in total volt. Thank you so much.